Hey, TGO traders and investors, welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Wealth Creation Investing. And one of the reasons we're looking at Top Gun options right now is because we are extremely fired up to announce our Sharpshooter Series Options Weapon School 2014 is now open. I need you to go to topgunoptions.com/OWS 2014. That's Options Weapon School 2014. We got a lot going on, folks. This just makes me shake my head. Obviously, as a former naval officer, this is just really disturbing. Here comes Iranian warships to park off our coast. It's bad enough we have Chinese ballistic missile submarines operating off our coast. Here comes the former Soviet Union, Russia, powering up again. And what are we doing? We're slashing our defense spending, cutting our defense spending. Hell, we're even cutting military retiree benefits to pay for the train wrecks going on in the United States. Yeah, we won't regret any of this, right? Really starting to feel a little creeped out about what's going on in the markets. These triple-digit up, triple-digit down days, a lot of volatility, and we're going to see more of that. On the flight schedule for the week, pretty boring Monday as far as domestically here in the United States. We'll see some macroeconomic data out of the EU. Tuesday, we have some a Fed member speaking, and Janet Yellen's actually going to be testifying in front of the House and Senate this week. So that could potentially be market moving because, congressmen and senators love to poke the Fed chief to try and get direct answers. And it'll be very interesting to see how good she is and see if she can give non-answers like all the Fed chiefs before her. Bank of England Governor Carney's going to speak on Wednesday. That could ripple across the pond, so to speak, and see what's going on. On Thursday, potentially market-moving information. We're going to have retail sales, core retail sales on Thursday morning. Whenever you see the word core, it means X something, and in this case, with retail sales, it means X autos, okay? Weekly unemployment claims, and then obviously the Fed chief continues her testimony in front of the Congress. And then on Friday, the biggest potential market moving economic data, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So with retail sales and consumer sentiment, we're really going to get a look into more about the health of this economy. Unless you're in a cave, last week's jobs number was just another huge swing and a miss. So December, swing and a miss. January, swing and a miss. Is it going to continue? With the market rallying on Friday with essentially the jobs data miss, it really makes you wonder, was the market hoping that, the Fed's going to hang out more? The Fed's gone, folks. She is going to step us down $10 billion a month until, what's that, if you do the math, probably the summer, okay? So these triple-digit down, up, down days are going to be a lot more frequent, and it's going to be on a lot more macroeconomic data. We really are starting to exit bizarro market where good news is going to be good news and bad news is going to be bad news again. So that jobs report on Friday and the market rallying out of it, little creepy to me. And the VIX actually started to catch a bid here later in the day. We've been crushing it at TGO. For the past 2 weeks, we've been in and out of some VIX trades. We put on a bullish double vertical on the VIX on that Tuesday, got out of it last week and made some very significant profit. Our hedges have been doing great on VIX and SDS. So this is why you got to register for Options Weapon School. We're going to do a training session, I believe, Tuesday night, so February 11th, and then we're going to do some live trading sessions as well this week. I'm going to be blasting out some trade alerts. We're going to show you what Options Weapon School is all about, and it's going to be 8 to 9 live academic training sessions with me. I'm going to be the Options Weapon School instructor, so make sure you go to topgunoptions.com/OWS-2014 so you can learn more about what Options Weapon School is all about. And take a look at the page, too. We got some pretty serious, great testimonials recently out of folks at TGO. With the market and the turmoil it's been in since the beginning of the year, we've been knocking the cover off the ball, and we've been having an absolute blast. This is a target-rich environment for options traders. So if your neck hurts and you're a little dizzy as to what's going on in the market, you're trading wrong. Nameless, rankless, that's what I'm saying. You're trading wrong, and you need to be trading right. So get on board Options Weapon School today. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll see you throughout the week during our Options Weapon School presentations. We'll see you.